What's up, everybody? If you're in need of a very chic and modern hook, whether it's for your towels in the bathroom, your living room, for your blankets, your hats, or grocery bags, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can install a very modern looking hook for a fraction of the price. Stay tuned for a whole video. What's up, everybody? So today we're going to go hang some hooks on this new black wall that we painted. We wanted to get a very modern hook, whether it's for shoes, blankets, hats, or bags. Anything can be hung off of this. It's a nice, unique, chic design with a hole in here so you can easily grab. Now, they are not adhesive hooks. These will hold up to 40 pounds. This is what we will attach to our wall. Once this is on, this slides on like that on top. Very easy. So you can pre-drill with a bit, or you can drill right into it with a regular screwdriver, which is what we're going to do. You do get everything you need to put this into drywall as well, but we will be adding into our wood, so we don't need the anchors. We're going to go straight in with the screws. It is very important that you use provided screws because they are going to be flush, and you need them to be flush if you want this to go and sit nice and flush against it. Once both are on, just take your hook and just slide it in from the top. And there you go. In our case, it works. They're minimal, chic, modern, and they'll hold up to 40 pounds. And that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.